Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. If you're planning to serve fresh oysters at your next party, you can't go past the classic Mignonette sauce. It's fuss-free, so you can enjoy your own party. Our sauce will easily cover 2 dozen oysters. Chop the ends and cut them in half, so they're easier to peel. We want the shallots finely chopped. I like making a few cuts this way. Then turn it around, and a few more cuts here, then finely chop. Red wine vinegar, half a cup. 2 teaspoons of white sugar to balance the acidity from the vinegar. A 1/4 teaspoon-ish of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix until the sugar and salt dissolves. Add the shallots. Give it a quick stir, and set aside for 30 minutes to let the flavors develop. Have a taste and balance the flavors to your liking. Add more sugar, salt or pepper, if needed. Serve the oysters over some rock salt or ice. And that's it! Less time in the kitchen means more time to socialize. Light, refreshing and elegant. Sauce for fresh oysters, just gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching. This recipe and hundreds of others are waiting for you on my blog. Visit 3catsfoodie.com and don't forget to subscribe for more.